If you're facing trouble to recover deleted Outlook data, then this video will bring you to the best solution with SysTools Outlook Recovery Tool. Main features: Outlook Email Recovery. Restore permanently deleted Outlook emails from PST file. Decrypt and remove SMIME and OpenPGP encryption from Outlook messages. Repair PST files with Outlook Email Recovery Tool and restore PST data in Office 365. Selective export option to restore data items from a fixed Outlook PST file. PST Recovery Tool supports all Windows OS and MS Outlook 32/64-bit. Now let's check the working process. Go to Google and enter SysTools Outlook Recovery. Click on the link shown on your screen. Then click on the download button and install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. Click on the Add File button. Small window open. You have two options. Select File when you know the destination of your data, and search File. This option will search your files and will show in the panel below down. Now you can select your file. In scan mode, quick, select this option if your file is deleted, and advance, select this when your data is permanently deleted. Click on the Add File button. Data start importing. This pop-up asks to save the scan data or not, with yes or no options selected as per your convenience. Data appears on the left side of the panel and data items on the parallel side of the panel. Permanently delete data appears in red color. Select the emails and click on the Export button. Now again a window open with same interface. On left side select the folder. Other side, tool provide you options to export, such as PST, PDF, Message, EML, HTML, Office 365. Moving forward with PST option, then click on the Advance button. Pop up and select the options as per your convenience. Then click on the Save button to save the desired filter. Now select the Browse button for a destination. This window allows you to select the folder and create new folder with Make New Folder button. Now select OK to move forward. Select this option as per the need. Then select the Export button to proceed. Data start exporting. Here are the results.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.